Welcome, boys and girls. Trunky McFlappy and I are so happy you are here. Today, Trunky is going to see his family. Would you like to come? Trunky McFlappy sure loves being an elephant. Look at him wave his big ears. Can you wave your arms like Trunky's ears? Wow, great job. Elephants have big ears to help them stay cool when it's hot outside. Trunky, can you flap your ears to cool down? Did you know that elephants use their long trunks like a straw? They can drink water and pick up food with it. Can you pretend to have a trunk like Trunky? Elephants love to play in the water. Trunky McFlappy. Let's show them how you splash around. Isn't that fun? Elephants are very gentle and love being with their families. Just like how you spend time with your family. Elephants live in big groups called herds. Now, let's all stomp our feet like elephants. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Stomp! You did amazing. Thank you for playing and learning with us today. Trunky and I had so much fun. Remember, elephants are gentle, big, and love to play. We had so much fun looking at Trunky McFlappy and his family. Did you have fun? Join us next time on Wacky Professor, How Things Work.